Ha 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 ha. We've done it again.
How's everyone doing today, ladies and gents? It's been way
How we
too
doing?
long.
Mm, mm.
It's been way too
Baby
long.
girl,
Way
what's
too
your
long.
name? Let me talk to you. Let me. Ha ha. We are back in office, baby. What's up? What's up, George, Nico, M. Doc, Shazia, Vipin? You got Kanye. Ooh, you got to. Kimia, Royal, Underwater, Ghastly, Peter, Savage, Toasty, Scotty. Ha ha ha. What is up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Who's ready to print today, baby?
Who is ready? Looking at me, I guess you can name me Freddy. No Cougar. I'm pretty sure it's Kruger. Funny how I'm eating my Kellogg's. But I don't even see Kells
Ooh.
on the logs.
Ooh. I like that one. I like that one. Let's see if we get this 80 break right here. If we break
Guess who's
80,
back?
I think we're gonna push it a little
Back
bit.
again. Ace and JJ production. We be back. Office open print.
You're cutting out. You're cutting
It's
out.
because
you're
I'm far
cutting.
from the bank.
Ha 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 ha. Man, I'm ready to print. I'm ready to hit some bangers. I'm ready to just trade back in office. Very, very nice. I'm gonna get that
Very
80
kind.
break and sweep. There we go,
Here's
baby
the 80.
girl.
Let's see if we hold above that.
Let's see if we hold it, baby girls.
What's up,
We gotta
Camper?
open
How
it
you
up
doing
again.
today?
What's up,
Toasty, how
Camper?
are you? Not available. There's Kells.
Ha ha.
Kells, welcome in. Man, it's been way too long, huh,
Kels.
guys?
For real. Zeus, what's up, brother?
Brother.
How we doing? How we feeling? How we feeling? How we doing? How we feeling? How we feeling? How we doing? Hey. Let's see if this compression is going to pop up. Ooh, is it going to prop up or prop hub? You've got to be what? Wow. Love it. We got no news today. Or at least no news that's like worth talking about. And we have CPI tomorrow. Let's see. Are we gonna go for that extension?
I'm just out here adjusting all our times on this calendar.
Home sales at 10. What are these lies? I don't see that shit. Is it a yellow folder? Oh, it is a yellow folder. I understand. I understand CPI tomorrow. Yup. Which probably means we get jacked today. Probably. Might be one of those days that you just get that open move and then just range the rest of the day.
So maybe we might be done early today. We will see.
Maybe you've just got to be skidding me.
Let me post calendar inside of our economics outlook, and then let me post our earnings.
Our skidding me? Our you've got to be? Biggest takeaway from the trip?
We'll talk about the trip, Weston, as we're live.
In a bit.
Like live.
We'll talk about it in a bit.
Ooh, there's a potential pop skis.
Let me get that. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Get.
How you guys been? How was your guys' week? I saw you guys get a few payouts, which is nice and sexy.
Pretty hot.
Yeah, you are.
Hey, yo.
Didn't stutter.
I understand. I understand it now.
We're just moving sideways this morning, guys.
Yup.
I want to see if we can break that 20.
Ace, give your little
004.
Oh, you're doing it right now.
What?
I was just gonna say, give your little market outlook for all the peoples?
We gave that to premium, actually.
Yeah, not that deep, you know? How about this? Let me ask you one question. Long term, up or down?
We're literally sideways as fuck.
Huh.
For the
So
past,
neither.
literally since September, we've been sideways, guys. So just still playing off of the same chart that we've been posting in premium. So we do have the double stacked level from our monthly extension to our weekly demand zone, which it's currently over. I preemptively got in as soon as it touched that level. There was no close, and the next thing you know, it sucked up, and now I'm dipping in a little bit override. Currently down 100 doll hairs, which nothing to sweat about right now. But anything underneath 70, if we can get a clean hold, I would say on like a 5 minute, then it's juicy. If we can get the hold above 25,004, basically 005, then I could look for longs because that is your volume VI monthly. So that's kind of what I'm looking for right now in today's session. We do have 7 more minutes until the open. So kind of want to see what happens here. Whether we can get the expansion straight through that 25K or if I get stopped, then we'll see. I do have an SL at 09, which will put me at red for the day, which is fine because it'll be basically close to break even. We're going to be talking about like negative, 400 at the most? 2 to 400, yeah.
I personally like longs for the day. Just need to.
I don't think I'm touching this
break
thing
and
for
hold
the first
25K.
15 minutes. I respect that, Kels, to be honest.
I just respect Kels. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for real. Me too. And I will be switching over to micros once the market opens up. I'll be out of this position as soon as it touches my SL, which looks like it might be soon. And I'll be okay with that. Unless I do this. I'm just joking.
Huh.
There.
You've got to be what? Yeah, I like.
It's holding over that 05, which I was talking about right now, testing it. So we'll see if we can get the close over here. And we got 2 minutes on our 3-minute candle.
Honestly, is it just me or do I like price being near 25K?
2, 1, boom. And there's 25K. We got 5 minutes. Closed on the 5 minute. We have 5 minutes left until they open.
We can go faster.
Plus, I'm already green. W Kels. Nice.
Do you agree? Do you like when we're near 25K? Because I feel like it's a good level to like.
I mean, hey, we had a straight bounce off of 24K. That was just as sexy.
Look at that gif. That's banger.
Which? He said he was going to make it.
I didn't see that.
That's jokes.
That's actually banger.
That's jokes, Kels. I'm saving that.
W Yeti. Yeah, Colombia was lit. Can't lie. Super fire.
Couldn't close over that 05 like I was talking about. So again, we're gonna have to see how the market opens.
Just barely over that 25K.
Yep. It needs to close over 05.
I like it. I like it. If we're
what are you looking out for today, John?
Technicals. We're already bouncing off my zone off of 70.
Me too.
And I'm just waiting to see how we're going to react to the 25K. You know what I'm saying? Bring back Ace of Braids.
No, thank you. No,
that was kind of banger. But we have so much content now. Hasn't even been posted.
Man, if you guys haven't seen the last one, which is my favorite piece that we made while we were there, I know it's me street interviewing all of the traders. Bro, it is fucking hilarious. All you guys need to comment on that one. We need to blow that one up. That one's so good. To that right now.
You guys got to follow us on Instagram.
7,800 views so far, and we just posted it yesterday.
Yeah. Bro, it's this video. Such a banger.
So good. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh my god, I forgot I jumped in the pool like 10 times.
Yeah.
Gonna make that a video too.
Because we can go Pastor.
Oh, we can go so much faster. We can go so much faster.
As if I really want to hold more risk, I would be at like 25, 20. But I'm going to hold my risk in case we get a massive pop here at the open.
Which is in 2 minutes.
Literally in 2 minutes, yeah. So we'll see. So yeah, at the moment, right above 8.
We can
Right
go.
above.
Who traded Globex yesterday? Chat. I'm curious.
He's
Guilty?
curious.
Kels, why are you guilty? Are you guilty because it was red? Or are you guilty?
No, he
but
said he's
you're
green
guilty?
right now.
Oh yeah. W guilty. Let's get some guilty in the chat.
The fuck? 2 more minutes, guys, until this open. Be careful. Don't
You're a
get too
liar.
risky.
It's actually 1 minute and 10 seconds. Scalp GC ranges. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I would not be surprised if there was a pretty major pop at open upwards.
I'm going to put a limit in right now at like, oof, this thing could just absolutely rip down on it.
It honestly depends at this 25K.
Yeah, for
I want
real.
the pullback first, valid.
Because we do have massive gaps from that push from yesterday's session. So we do have room all the way down to like 750, 709. Could go to the bottom of the range. But we'll see. Gotta trade the chart as it is.
20 seconds, baby. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a
A little bit more.
drink. And
Here
let's
we
see this
go.
open.
Boom.
Wow.
There's a pop skis.
Ha,
Got tapped out. Let's see
to be
if it
kidding me.
continues through here, guys. Back under 25,004 and a full clean close underneath 25. I will still be looking for shorts, but as of right now, this thing is a long monster.
I caught some of that move. I can't lie. That's because I was already in from pre-market. W-mans.
Here's our previous day high, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Right here at 57. And looks like it's taking that out real quick.
Oh, yeah.
So we do have our London highs. I'm switching over to micros for right now, guys. This thing is getting pretty juicy.
Pretty juicy, pretty juicy. I'm starting off with day green. Lickle green, lickle green. Very nice, very sexy.
Dun, 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 dun.
Where are your ADR high and low? I just marked them and I just want to know if they're correct. Let's see.
Here's my high, setting from
I just showed.
246 to 326.
Mm-hmm.
And then my low is at 716 to 636.
How's that not available? Did you accurate mark?
Holding above right now, guys. Still holding above our previous
Absolute
day high.
banger. W.
Trying to at least.
Very nice W.
What was her slide after? Whoa.
That city closed above yesterday's high.
Or this level's so yeah. Oh wait, no, that's the VI. Come back. Here you go.
Slide city. Slide city. It's pretty beautiful. Wow. I've been doing some testing.
Don't tell them.
Okay. I'm not telling them anything. I'm just saying. It's gonna be very exciting for the future. That's all I'm gonna say. Because what I'm looking at right now, wow.
JJ about to spill it. I know for real, bro.
I'll give a little tease. I'll give a tease that basically gives away nothing. That's the tease right there. Ha. Look at that bottom tick. I already know too much about it. That's called edging. Yeah, get edged. Ha! You've been edged. Orb surge. You don't know shit. Ha. Beauty. For everyone on Tradeovate, you like the manual lockout? New lockout. Kind of hot. Love it. For real. It's about time, right?
You guys do have to be careful because it doesn't lock out just that single account. It literally locks out your whole account. So like if you print on 150K and you're like, okay, I'm going to move over to my 50K.
Really?
Guess what? That's locked too. Yeah.
I thought you had to manually lock every account.
It literally locks your platform.
All right. Well, at that point, just have a little bit of discipline. Like, shit. Yeah, but there is like a strat with like singling out accounts.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? I don't see it maybe on the new Tradeovate accounts. It should be on everything. It should be on the top next to like your account. Like your account number on the top.
Good morning, pretty boys. What is up, baby?
What's up, H? What's up, H? What's up, H? Slides. Can we just take a second to say that I did call out that pop? Ha! It's pretty cool. 72 points. I didn't catch the whole thing. I caught like. Let me actually look.
I said above 04. This thing would rip.
How much did I catch? Because I scaled in from 82. 30. What is that? 50 points. Right? Yeah. Ha. Quick math. Go crazy.
Want to see any reclaims of 30?
That was a good 25K test, but yeah. I was seeing it yesterday, but I don't today. I mean, it is brand new, so I'd expect some bugs, which is fine. All okay.
Here's 25K. Oh.
You've done it again, haven't you?
Yeah. I was just hovering, and then I actually got in right at that 04 again, guys. I'm in with 5 micros as of right now. I mean, it was a nice pop off of that same exact level.
Pretty banger.
Yeah.
What's VI? Volume imbalance.
So that was 28 points, guys. Your CE of that range is 3475.
Why didn't you tell me, Mr. Ace?
Wagwan Popcorn.
You didn't tell me about this VI.
You are an all-seeing being. You see it all.
Ha! It's my fault. I was testing out my new stuff. Haha. Spoiler.
Yeah, so we need to see this hold above 20, still sitting at right around break even. SL is basically at that 80 mark. We've added in our shit.
We do have a daily VI from 20 to 50, eh?
Mine's marked out.
Huh. Oh, I see it. Wow. Very nice. Mm-hmm.
That was a nice 28 points. I did not secure yet, guys, and it's
No,
testing
we're in
that
longs.
20. So that would be first PT right there at that 20. And then the next one would be at 35. And there's 25K getting tested again.
Mm-hmm.
Do what you will with that information. If it holds under 04, which was our entry, is a Gonzo's. A Gonzo beans,
Is it Slide City?
if you know what I mean.
If you know what I mean. There's the pop again off 25. There's that 20 again.
Yep.
That
So you guys have
first
multiple
PT.
times to take at that first PT. Completely up to y'all.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as it does confirm 35, I'm sliding. Oh, there it was. Sliding my SL all the way up.
All the way up to Slide
Oh,
City.
and it just took me out. Good take, though. And that
take.
hit our target for a total of 33 points for the first move being called out. Oh. I'm on tired mode.
Are you? Are you on meds?
Yeah. I'm so tired. I'm not on meds.
Are you on the medicals? The net is making noises. Are you on the medicals? Ah. Are we gonna continue upwards?
Testing the VI right now.
Yeah, the CE is literally the 35.
Yep. Back under 20.
Do you know what I mean?
Might see that 25K again. Or that 04, sorry. But nice takes. Nice moves.
I want to see if we can tap
Top
that
of the
50.
Yeah, top of the range, guys, is 50, and that's 44 points.
Me still in longs? Me too. I have a tighter stop at 92. Basically below that low. Once we crack that like 42, I'm probably gonna be slides because I'm already up on the day, so might as well protect my capital. Hit a banger, so you know what I'm saying?
Ooh. Getting a little volatile this first 10 minutes.
We're struggling to hold above that 20.
Really is.
Seems like we're gonna try it again here.
See if I can get a little bit of a scalp.
Little scalpy poo?
A little scalpy poo with a quick SL run. Ooh, looks like I won't be able
Another
to.
push.
Shit. And top of the range is 50. So that's a lot more risk than I would want.
Yep, it is struggling at that 20 right there. Kels, just give me the damn sweep.
Just testing that 20 again.
Zulu wants to slide to 830. That's a slide. Oh, this guy wants Asia. I see your lows. You think you can trick me?
I'm Yanni McGee.
You think you can trick me, Zulu?
I think it continues to run
I
with that
actually agree.
hold. But we'll see. Testing under right now. I'm still in my short, but my short entry is ugly at 13. Again, I'm scalping, which is looking like a full ass day trade right now. I'm trying to move my stop as soon as it gets to my level, and then next thing you know, she rips back up.
I mean, I have a shitty entry on the long, but that's okay.
There it is again, and I just got filled. Beauty. Nice short, guys.
Happiest.
Nice.
Dude, did it cook my fill?
I took the short 4 times. W.
Oh,
That was nice.
My fill. Bro, trade of it sucks sometimes.
Oh, and right to 80. That was actually what I wanted, but I was trying to be conservative with the 04.
Bro, it filled me 10 points below my SL. Isn't that funny?
That's a cook.
You're trying to trick me?
Last, know that. Get it to me. Ooh. What's at 80? That's your open candle. We opened today at 80 for
You got your weekly pocket 60 also.
Here's our 70 levels that we were talking about. Both me and John both have levels here at 70. So if we can reclaim back above 25.04, you best believe I'll probably take the long again. But as of today's session, I started off red, guys, taking a few pre-market trades. I was green overnight. Got $1,000 while we were at the gym. Got a little bit aggressive right before the open. But as soon as we started that stream, we are green now with positive, I would say like 400.
I'm still
Here's
a pretty
that 70
decent
level.
even after that L. Slide shitty. Also got weekly pocket 60. Potentials. Are we gonna hold?
ATR 31 right now on a 2.
Pretty decent.
Yeah, if we can go underneath our weekly POC,
I understand.
I would like the short. And the only thing is, it doesn't really give you much of an extension past it. Man, I should have held that initial short.
Yeah, I have like 933 would be like first target after that POC. Slide shitty.
Wow.
Slide shitty.
Literally touched our POC and popped.
Yep. Weekly POG. Hey, yo. Damn, look at that bouncy.
If I
back
wasn't
to 25.
locked, I'd be looking for a long here. Yep, for real. And there it is, right above my level again, guys. That is a massive pop off of our weekly POC. Massive. Damn, for real, Kels. That was
shit, man. Full
Sexy.
transparency. I missed that shit fully. I mean, like, I don't even know where I would have entered.
That just ripped.
Yeah.
Yeah. No close on that candle. You would have to move with it. It's a scary one. I like longs though.
Literally tapped it by 2 ticks.
I would have to enter in light if I see the continuation. So I'll get in, and then I'll have room for an average down with SLs relatively tight. So I can enter. Green right now. Watch for an extension of that first open wick. But again, first targets, you got 35, and then you have 50 at the top there. I'm in a light position
on this.
I'm at 90 right now.
Me too.
Could easily tap us out and continue, but I'm not gonna overexpose my. I already do that with my tiny peepee. If we can go back to 25K, I'd actually be pretty happy. Get an extra 3 cons in. I have a limit in at 525, which it looks like it just missed me.
I think we could potentially see 25-100 today. That's just on me though. It's tricky.
So my new cost average after that add-in, I did get filled at that 05. It's 1763, and we're in with 6 right now, guys. Again, first PT at that 35, so watch out for that. And then from 35, you do get 50. So put the first trim out at that 50, so 925, which it looks like it's approaching right now. And boom, filled. So I have 3 cons left and moving my SL all the way up. And my cost average after that is brought to 525, which is that second entry fill. So that makes sense as to why it positioned it there. Really gorgeous takes. We're talking about since that entry, 45, there's 50, and we're dealing with our previous day high right now. So moving my SL all the way to that second PT, which was 35, and I'm moving it right under for 32 on the dot. So it could come right back down right now.
Yeah, I took a nice trim, made back all the money from that previous
Boom.
loss.
And there we go. Nice trade, guys. Overall, we are currently 3 for 3 and just slicing through.
Later,
right
Kels.
now.
Have a good day. Who took that? Let's see some testes. First testes back from Columbs? Let me see those testes, man.
From Columbus?
From Columbs? I'm gonna throw my testy in there too. Oh yeah. We don't know how to spell Columbia.
It's funny because I literally told John, I'm like, yo, by the way, we've been spelling Columbia wrong. The next reel he posted, wrong.
I'm sorry, but I thought it was Columbia, not Colum.
No, the craziest part is he's like, yo, you have been spelling it wrong. I look at the reel, he spelled it wrong. I'm like, brother. And so we try to play it off like, ha, we've been rage baiting
you.
We've been rage baiting you intentionally when really we were just fucking up the whole time. This is sideways since our open, guys. So just be careful trading this. Like, yeah, we've been pretty nice at catching the tops and bottoms, but who's to say how long that could continue to last for?
Where the testes at? That was like multiple bangers.
But here is that 35 again. I'm wondering if we can hold it or what's going to happen from here. But that was a perfect test of that previous day high.
Mm-hmm. Just look at these wicks off the VI.
Fly City.
You know what I'm saying? 2K on the day, WC Tay.
W.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's get some profits in the testimonial. Even though we always talk about how testes are like, you know what I mean? Payouts actually is what matters. First day back from Colombia, first stream back. Let's show what we do, how we do it when we do it.
These wicks, guys.
150. Sexy.
Wicks on a 2-minute, but on a 5 or a 15, we are literally just sideways. So trying to chill right now. We do have a 15-minute pre-market base. So that is at 28, which looks like it's trying to hold right now. Watch out for that. And then the bottom of that range is 95. So that's why I put my SL at 90 initially.
Oh, yeah. I think this candle right here is going to help the push.
Mm-hmm. And then your next base is literally from still London. And that's at top 76, bottom wick 24. So we do got a few moves. Nice moves.
Test that CE at 35. Potentials for another longs.
It can hold 28. I would definitely think so.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Do you have to go, Rams? Yeah. You're good. I'll turn off stream.
Later production. Max payout coming out. Trade file on Friday. Fire.
Brother.
W King Caps. Let's get some W's in the chat. He's going to get a max payout on Tradeify. Up $2,011.
W. And he just got a payout. Okay. Right, I'll call you.
W's in the chat.
There's 50.
Later. I re-entered the long at the 35.
I want to see if we can confirm over here or if the short could take potentials.
It could fully be a short. This is a risky long.
I took it actually at 4. Are we opposite?
Yeah.
I think we are opposite.
We are opposite right now.
So as long as it can close underneath 35, I'll like it. I am in at 40. I was trying to get in at 50 and my ass is just slow today. But in at 41, we are opposite positions because they're both valid here at this level. So we're literally just waiting to see if it confirms with my SL above previous day high. So I'm going to keep it at 65 and I am light position right now. Currently up 15. I'd watch out for a 20 bounce. But again, it is under 35. So that could be first takes if you guys did enter at 50 when I tried to get in. There's 30. Moving my SL now.
These are both valid.
And I just took myself out.
All right. So now it's time to switch sides.
Time for you. Time for you, baby.
All right. I'm green right here. Oh, red right here. Oh, I'm green right here. Red right here. Haha. I'm break even.
I've done it again.
I've done it again. I'm going to put the TP 2 points above my entry.
Yeah, the short was still valid for me as long as it can hold underneath that 19. But we'll see. If it does, I'm going to enter and then put my SL right at that 35, 36-ish level where it could take... Whoa, I did not mean to go in that heavy. All right, I'm going to have to take myself out really quick.
Come on, baby girl.
I kept it tight, guys. I did not mean to enter that heavy. Could continue to go, though.
That was a W short. No Caplius.
Right off the 50. It was pretty sexy.
Oh, yeah.
Again, it's still chopping away, guys. So we're literally just grabbing tops and bottoms.
Mm-hmm. So exactly what I said was going to happen, that we were going to get that open push
and then
just move sideways.
That. Yeah.
Slide city. Slide city.
That's
as long as we hold above like 15, for me, I still like the long.
Yeah. I got back in, guys, just because that's still the same position I was in. So I'm going to put my entry initial and where I want to target.
I'm back green.
W.
That's a type shit.
Are you typing while you're shitting, though?
Nah. I'm only shitting when I'm typing. Slide shitty. Slide shitty. Nah, I mean. Did hold. Let's see. Are we going to get a continuation or a pop? I'm getting stopped left and right for like $10. I'm getting paper cutted. Up $80 though. Fire. Are we short right now? Ace is short, right?
Yeah.
Ace is short. I'm long. We are inverse.
For my initial position,
short is valid though.
30, 32 points. And green, there's that 04 guy. So that's where I really wanted the takes. But I'm going to hold into this one. And I can now tighten my stops as well if I really wanted to. But because I'm now reduced position, it's going to hold it. We're actually green on the day. So I went from negative 700, just shy of, to back positive. So technically, since the start of stream, we are positive 800 now if this position closes under 25K.
Yeah, I'm SL that 94. So I'm probably going to get tapped
moving my
here,
SL now right to 2505. So right at that VI. And if this continues, there's 80. And I do have a level at 70, so I'm going to take a trim here. Boom. Oh, I actually added into position. Oopsie, and exit.
Get this all the time. Oh, man. I saw Ace add in. I was like, what the fuck is he doing? Oh, man. Bro, the amount of times he does that, it's actually so funny. Bouncing off 80 right now. I don't mind my failed long. I would take that all the time. Because if it was going to pop, it was going to be there. Slide city. Haha, we are sliding in the city. Nope, everyone knows the rules. This game doesn't count. Everybody should be green today. That's all I'm going to say. Pretty simples.
I'm now green. Positive 172, meaning we've now made like $900 since we started the stream.
W.
Very nice. Very kind.
Very nice, very kind. I wonder if we're going to retest that 70 again. Maybe even the POC.
There's 25. I'd love to go retest 25, and then I'm going to enter in with a significantly lower position. Or if we can crack 70, I will enter into a short. There it is.
Oh, there's that 70.
Yeah. Let's see if we get the hold underneath it. Excuse me. Just watch out for the POC guys at 65 or no 59.
The potentials.
Do like longs right now, and even if you were to position underneath that POC, then it's still a nice trade regardless. There it is at that POC.
There's the tap.
Tapped it. I'm gonna enter. Put my SL literally right below that wick.
Yep, I just did the same thing.
So I'm going to move quick, guys. Entry literally at the pocket, 59.50. Holding underneath it right now with an SL right at 45. So not risking too much.
Yeah.
Here, currently in the green, barely. Boom, there's 70.
Pop.
So I would like to see 80 get tested.
Mm-hmm.
And there it is. Nice moves. I'm going to
Oh,
close
yeah.
that out. Nice little 20
I'm chilling
points.
tight.
And that looks like it wants to go. Gorgeous. Now up 330 on the day.
Haha. Dab me up. Who took that long? That was such an easy, low risk long. Like, what was your risk there?
Literally
Like
the
10
sexiest.
points?
Yeah.
Literally 10 points of risk. 10 points of risk. And then we went from 60 to 8. Nice to see, bro. Easy, low risk, 1 to 2 R trade. Beautiful, man. Oi! Who took that? Nice lickle bounce off the Pocleus. Hey, let's see if our audience loves us so much and actually listened and went and commented on that post. They don't love us. They use us. Yeah, they just like free trades and making free money, but they don't love us that much. I don't see a single comment. Huh. Well, I understand. I understand. I'm not even gonna send it to the chat.
Back if we reclaim.
Hey, yo.
It's underneath right now, which is a nice bearish sign. But watch. Could reclaim real quick.
I understand. Watching it. I don't want that wick to extend too much because I like the low risk.
Me too. I have a fill right here. Coming.
Mm-hmm. Tapped in.
Tapped in. SL below that wick.
Yep.
Put it. I'm gonna risk a little bit more now. You know?
I just did the same. What's the post and what's the IG? Prophub trading.
And again, guys, watch out for 80. 80 is gonna be the main take there.
Mm-hmm. 80 is gonna be the main slide city. Slide city. Tapped. Oh, I was too tight. I was so tight. What?
Pardon me?
What?
It literally wicked you out.
It literally wicked me out.
Yeah. It looks like it's probably gonna come for me too, but we'll see. I'm still in at 38, guys, for my SL. Still holding position, and any reclaims of 59, basically, we'll say 65, where my position currently is. I might even get an ad. So 35 to like 38 SL, probably the most valid, but could easily tap us out.
Yep.
Here. And boom, tapped. I'm back even.
That's the top of my range right there.
That is your London low right there as well.
Hit it once, couldn't hit it twice.
It did go green, but it wasn't. It wasn't my piece, so I'm not. We're not trying to.
So it
Like,
doesn't count.
It was so good. It's that trade was so good. I'd watch it for a 20 bounce right here as well. I like the low risk trades, like that right there. 2,900 risk potential pops above 50. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
So let's see if we can get to 50. Coming up on you quickly. Oh,
you've got to be skidding.
I love that people can see my entry because I didn't even say anything. And there's that 50, guys, reclaim. I want to see if it can reclaim over POC, which is at 58. Just tested around 55. So that was, but still not where I want. There's 58. Boom. 60. Nice. And if we can get that hold over, boom, there it is. Nice. Beauty. 40 points, guys, right there at that 80.
W.
I want to see if it can hold. How about if I say please?
How about if I tell you, please? Please just do it. I will
To add it
tell
in
you,
by mistake
please.
again.
Again? You must have got to be skidding me.
I'll move my stops to like right under to validate.
Or like a 45?
That's
40?
literally where it pushed my entry all the way up
Mm-hmm.
from 34. 60. Where was I trying to get the... Where's my fit? It was at 57. Okay, so not horrible.
That's not too bad. That's not
Except
too
for
bad.
the fact that I'm red now.
I got tapped out at 70.
Yeah, that's back under, guys. So I'd watch out here. That 34 was our first initial entry off of that. And looks like it came to test those CEs and BIs that came back down.
Mm-hmm. Or that 920 bounce was right off my zone.
Yep.
What's ES doing? Oh, we are SM Thizzled.
SM Thistle, not again.
We are bullish SMT'd. You might say it was not again, but it was again. Ha! It was actually again. The pop was ES going for 1 minute VI. I understand. This guy has the sauce.
He's done it again?
He's done it again. Oh my.
Just watch to see if it reclaims 50 here, and then obviously that 59. It was a perfect take at that like 70 to 80. And I'm still green, but it's like it's nothing. Like my add-in was 59 by error, which was supposed to be trim, and it's still there, but I do have a trim out. I'll put it at 68, which it looks like it's approaching now. Let's see if it even gets that full reclaim of our POC for a fill. But also, don't get greedy. Like, we are green, regardless of how we spin it. And I get the fill. There it is. Boom, filled. All right, now we're back into regular position. I'm going to move my SL, guys. I would say, like, I don't want to risk more than where it's at right now, because if it fails to hold above this POC again, then it gets pretty ugly. There's the move above 80, moving my SL now to 67. And watch out for 90 to 25. There, that's pretty gorgeous. Taking another trim.
Oh yeah.
Buy. And full close. Boom. There it is at 25. Or approaching 25, sorry. But currently up 692 from being down like 692 to start off the day.
H said, don't get greedy. We are green. Speak for yourself, pretty boy.
As I'm like adding in by mistake.
What an easy pop off that 920 though. And it gave you 2 chances to re-enter.
Yeah, for real.
Easy.
That was really sexy.
If anybody's red, I bet I can guess why. Either number 1, you're over leveraging your losers, or number 2, you're hesitating.
Yeah.
Like if we say, oh, we like
them. Literally in micros.
Yeah,
I'm literally using micros today. At the most, 10 micros, which is 1 mini.
Bro, hesitating will kill you, you know? Oh. Like if we say bounce off 920 and then you're like waiting and then you're waiting and then you see it bounce and then you enter at 960 and then it moves to 980 and you're like, oh, I don't want to take this. It's only 20 points. If you entered off the 20, that's 60 points. And you would have taken that, you know? So now you're making decisions based on how up you are when you should just make it based on the actual chart.
A big fact. That is a big, big old fact.
It's a big fact. You got to separate your entry and your money sometimes. You got to know when to take and know when to enter. Huh. I got to go bar. Bro, I'm going to need the breakdown for this day. Not available. Come on, baby. You premium, baby. You know you getting that shit, man. Shit. Oh, okay. Let's start talking about some stuff since we're back.
Oh, yeah.
Number 1, indicator. Let's bring it up.
Indicator.
We talked about it in Colombia. We were like, oh shit. We were literally sitting at the dinner table with like everybody. And we were like, wait, the indicator was supposed to come out in February and it is now March.
Yeah. So that the developer that we brought it to, it was shit. So we're gonna take it into our own hands. Me and John, we know how to do it. I mean, the basis of it is there. So we're gonna be doing it. We'll have it to you by the end of this week, guaranteed.
Guaranteed end of the week.
Yeah. The only thing I need to figure out though is the integration of it, so that it removes if they're no longer in premium.
It removes if
because it's only for premium.
Yeah.
I'll figure it out.
Yeah, people do it.
Yeah. I know. I'll know how to do it.
Yeah.
But that'll be done end of this week, guaranteed. We're saying. We're gonna do daily breakdown today, so we're gonna get back on our grind in terms of our premium folks. So if you guys are interested in joining premium, make sure to do so. John, give people a little bit of a rundown of what happened in Colombia.
Rundown of what?
There's a new low of our New York session, by the way, guys.
There's a lot happened in Colombia. I need like more specifics.
How specific can you specifically specific?
Well, if you specify the specifications, you have to remember we are statisticians.
I want to see if it reclaims 20 here, guys. Well, the statistician versus superstition.
The superstition of the statisticians.
It's holding under, so that I think shorts are definitely still the move as of right now, but it doesn't really have much of an extension based off of our pre-market low at 92.
So I have a limit for a buy at 31, and I'll SL the bottom of the SWIC if it doesn't extend.
Literally, it could go. It's bidirectional as of right now. Like when you're going on like a 5 or a 15 minute.
Oh,
it really is.
That wick. Don't know if. I don't know if I'd want that much risk with that. Yeah.
I almost want to buy into this and then risk like what 10 points. Oh, that's more now.
Huh.
Ha! He's done it again.
He must have done it again.
There it is at 900, guys. So watch for 890, which is our pre-market low. And that's kind of where I want to get tapped in. Putting my stop 15 points under. And keeping it low risk. So only 3 micros are being used right now, guys. Not looking for much. You guys have noticed I'm not getting greedy with my takes for today's session. Just trusting the anal assist and then working based off of that.
The what?
What did he say?
The what assist?
The anal assist.
Oh.
+5. +6. So watch out for 20 right there. 10.
Get a little more of a pushing.
Can he do the pushings?
Can he do it again?
And there it is, guys. There's a 1R and there's that 90 test moving my stop all the way up. And if it gets tapped, I get tapped. Again, it's not about me being greedy anymore.
Beautiful.
Especially when it comes to these low risk trades. I'm very happy with taking a little bit earlier. And there it is, above 20. So I'm moving my stop to 17. If I get tapped, I get tapped. There it is. Boom. Another trade.
Well, look at those. That was like 4 easy green scalps in a row for more than 20 points with a risk of 10. That's 4 2R trades, which is 8R. Ha! No loss. Even the Telk said 920 again. Someone's paying attention. Isn't that beautiful? Oh yeah, what were you being
in my head? Did you see my face? I'm like, I'm on camera. I am on camera. They caught me. They caught me. There's a monster in my bed. Oh man. Holy shit. Oh man. It's okay. My mic is still working. Man, that was hilarious.
Hello. Oh, there we go.
Welcome back.
What did you want me to talk about? You said
Rams, welcome home. Also, is that one of our cars? Going off.
Check. We hear a car going beep, 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 beep. Huh, we're good. Yeah, what did you want me to bring up? The Colombia.
How was it, man? Like, did you enjoy yourself? It was your first time in Colombia. I
really
was told that we were going to get robbed, and I don't know if we did get robbed. There's another push.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
No, Colombia was super dope. Everybody that was there was really dope. You should honestly follow all of them.
Just make sure to stay here, though. We're just joking.
At the end of the day, people are gonna like who they like, and if you like us, then we like you. If you don't like us, fuck you.
Is Rams okay? Rams is okay. He had to go home. He has a delivery.
Yeah. Was there something specific about Colombia though, or just in general?
Just in general, like people want to know, like, how was JJ in Colombia? How was Ace in Colombia?
It was nice. Our second night, we decided to take in a lot of alcohols.
Oh man!
And then go out in the streets of Colombia in the main walled city at night.
Yeah,
at like 3 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah, was JJ was snowing in Colombia? JJ did not snow in Colombia. But it was definitely snowing in Colombia.
Oh, it was definitely snowing in Colombia.
Everywhere we went.
Everywhere you walked. It was really like this. Like people, you'd be walking and some guy would be like not looking at you. He wouldn't be looking at you and then he'll just go, I have the best, come to me.
And then they'll be like this. You're Canadian, you're used to the snow. Just like drive by, walking by us. Yes. Like, where you from? Where you from? Where you from? Canada? Oh, so you're used to the snow. I have the best. Like, bro, what?
They're trying to do like drive-by sales. It's hilarious.
Like, how quick can they convert us? Yeah. Like, bro, what? It's crazy. Not only that, though, like, other than the snow, it was nice to see all the other traders get to see their strategies literally live in action and then get to flex on them, basically showing like, hey guys, here's my live account, watch this. And then by the end of the trip, I was up 8K.
Yeah.
On a singular mini at most.
While sitting next to the founders of the prop on a boat.
while we're on a beach, while we're on the boat, while we're literally walking up some stairs, while we're at the restaurant all eating together, they're just looking at my phone in deep green. They're like, bro, has it touched red ever? And I'm just like, no. I'm chilling, baby. I'm just chilling.
There was somebody that literally asked me, they were like, yo, are the founders like annoyed at you for making that money? I was like, no, they love it.
They're like, yeah, I fucking love paying this fucker. This fucker that gets the payouts, yeah, I fucking love him.
Oh, man. No, I love the team though, for real. Like Matt and Clay,
they're dope.
Lars, Cam, everybody. Legends.
Absolute legends.
For real.
Jacob Heimerschmidt. Clay always got a face on with Ace. He knows. For real. Now, Clay's an absolute G, guys. They're all so helpful, which is incredible. Like, when we're saying, like, they have the best support and, like, they genuinely care for the trader. Oh, incredible. Like, it's so funny because a lot of us, like, especially if you've used Top 1 support, like, you know a lot of their names, such as like Oscar or like Brooke on Discord, and we're like seeing them live and we're like, holy shit, I've spoken to you in the ticket.
Yeah.
And then he's like, yeah, you're the annoying fuck who is always on the live account. Next thing you know, you don't have a live account. Next thing you know, you have a live account. I'm like, bro, I'm sorry.
Oh man.
They literally said, guys, I am the fastest, and this is not really a flex, it's just transparency, but I go through the fastest live accounts ever. So it's like, I get my payout, I get cooked, I get another payout from the instant funded, I get my payout, I get my payout, gets cooked.
Can we like talk a little bit about what Lars said? About like your analytics? And how they were like, it would be better if you just...
Literally, guys, based off of my stats, they would prefer if I didn't have an instant funded and went straight to live, because my live payout is slightly less than what I take out from an instant funded.
Yeah.
So they're like, bro, you're getting the payout regardless. We might as well reduce how much you can make by giving him the live. So there was literally one day where I didn't know this, because apparently I don't read the emails, but I'm not allowed anymore 150K instant funded because of like the payout to spend ratio, right? Like they're still trying to protect their end. I've went through multiple lives, so they know I can get the payout. And they were like, yo, honestly, you have an instant funded? Okay, I'm closing that shit right now. Yeah. And here's your live account.
We were confused though. Yeah. We were so confused because he woke up and he's like, my account's gone and I have a live now.
Yeah. And I literally told John, I'm like, I just hit freaking PDPT. Bro, what is going on? We're here on the trip with TOF. And then we see the TOF manager when we're there. And he's like, I gave you a live. I don't want to see you get another payout. Next thing you know, throughout the whole week, I get like 8K.
Yeah, based on their analytics, he made like a lot more than they thought he was going to make. So their plan didn't work. Haha.
But so banger.
Yeah.
Oy, 10K for Euro on the day. W.
We made it to 10K. W. Look at that guy. See, 1 to 2 micros, and he's up $10,000.
I still like the longs. Call me crazy. But call me crazy.
Ooh, but call me crazy. That was a sweep, yes. Reclaim 900. You have a baby. Just call me crazy. Go retest the 900. I think that's true. I think that's true. That is what you'll do. You could
Boom,
potentially
right
enter
there.
a low risk long. Yup.
That's what I'm doing. Literally below the wicks at like 89 is my stop. So risking 21 points. We got a little decent risk right now, but I mean, there's the automatic pop for 20. We literally hit a 1-to-1 right off the rip.
Easy. I'm calling it. I'm calling it.
You're done?
I'm done. I like that number. I think it's a pretty good number. What do you think, chat? I think it's a good number to call it.
Is it 6-9?
I've done it again.
He's done it again. And as long as it can hold 20, and then the next test is going to be a 40, which is a good take. And then any reclaims over 40, you have your POC at 60. So another 20 points above that. So nice moves regardless of where this thing goes. There's the suck up at 30.
Thanks, Euro.
Watch here.
Who could get a potentials pop?
Yep.
Ooh, do I use the manual
There
lockout?
it is. Do it up. There it is, guys. There's that 50 test that we were just talking about. Moving my stop all the way up. And if it gets tapped, it gets tapped. Gorgeous. I'm going to continue to drag as we approach that 50. There it is. Oh, yeah. And my stop is literally right below that 50 now. And boom, tapped. Gorgeous.
We've done it again at Prophub.
There's 50 points.
Come on, baby. First day back. Bangers.
Hey, wait. Do I extend and try to get $10 more for $1,000 on the day?
But you want to match me?
Or do I show people what it looks like to have control? Here, I'll show you guys what it looks like to have control.
Wait, let's have a poll. Let's do a poll in the chat.
Doesn't matter. Already doing it live, and you guys can see it. Boom, automatically locked, and I'm now locked for the rest of this session. Literally showing you guys that it doesn't freaking matter if I'm only 10 points away, because a lot of what you guys will do is like, oh, I only need $10 more and then I'm at PDPT. Next thing you know, you're back right on the day. Can I lock it in mobile? If you're using browser on mobile, then yes.
Wait, so I don't have to lock all the accounts separately?
Don't be a dick for a tick. For real, guys. And that literally went straight to our POC, straight to the analysis that we gave. Man, today was a really, really good session. And we made, again, in totality, probably around 1,700 just using at the most 10 micros. But as you guys can see, even from that position, it was literally 3 micros. You guys don't need to overextend yourself.
The lockout should be right next to your account, like account number.
JJ's locked. I'm locked. Guys, that is the new flex. That is what I should see in testimonials now. Like, as soon as you post a testimonial, I want to see it locked out.
Yeah. Let me look at testies. Look at Eric up $502. So sexy. We already saw Zulu's 150. I need to update my testy, actually.
Yo.
My testy's lacking behind a little bit.
Yo.
Testy update. Beauty. Very nice. Rem said, should I still click lock if I hit max DLL?
Show them how to flex, Rams.
That's hot. That's super hot.
It's funny because at the gym, I was literally showing the boys, I was up 1,100. And then I brought myself to red. Same exact situation that I'm telling you guys about, where it's like you try to creep a little bit more every single time. And next thing you know, you fuck yourself, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do not get greedy.
Yeah, my account today was like a perfect example of sticking to your system. I was at 900, right? And then I took the loss. It dropped me to like 6. And then I got accidentally wicked, which dropped me to like 4. But then I re-entered. And then I ended up 1,040. Which seems like, oh, you were like basically already there. But like, if I see what I would always take, I'm going to take it. You know?
Look, in technicality, from all my payouts, I'm still positive 100 on the account.
Oh.
Do you know what I mean? Yeah. So it's like, that's how much I took off of the payout. So full transparency, guys, I am red on my live account, but after all the payouts, like if you subtract all the payouts from the account, in technicality, I'm still positive net. So it is going to be a grind to try to get this account back. Break even, like where the account opens, is 15,000. It's a 15,000 live. And I'm currently at $8,145 hairs. So got a lot of scratching back to do. We're talking about just shy of 7K that I need to scratch back. But nonetheless, got my payouts.
Yeah.
Literally took 7K from them. So that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm still net green regardless of how we spin it.
You got to remember, how much did you spend on that 150?
On the 150K account to get the 15K alive? Literally what, $600 at the most?
So
and after code PHUB, sometimes it's less.
So you spent like what, 300, 400, something like that?
Literally 400 to make 8K.
Seems like a pretty good deal. Ha ha ha. Ooh, that's a good question from Euro. He's asking, should he take a 1K payout from each thing
or let it keep growing and size up? Euro, you take that payout.
You know what I would say? Yes. I'd say take the payout unless you're planning to size up.
No, I would still say take the payout. There is no spinning at Euro. And again, this is only for Euro. It definitely like depends per person. But when it comes to, I've known Euro now for multiple years, right? And even when it comes to it, for most people, I would still say take the payout no matter what. Even when it's a 50K and the payout is 2,500 and there's only 500 left in the account, guess what I'm still going to say? Take the payout. Because how many times do you cook an account? Probably more times than you guys get the payout, right? So therefore, if you only leave, say like, oh, I'm going to leave an extra 500. And this is the 50K example, right? So you get 2,500, or you only take 2K and you leave $500 on the table. So imagine you're now copy traded. You're now leaving 2.5K on the table. You cook the accounts, and now instead of grabbing 2.5, now you have to spend an extra 2.5 maybe just to get new accounts. Whereas if you just took the 500, you still have $500 to potentially get the accounts back. Plus, you just basically paid for all of those accounts by securing the payout, as opposed to, oh, I'm going to leave a little bit of buffer. Get the payout. That's literally what we work towards, guys, is literally getting the payout. Also, look at that bottom fucking tick from that trade. Yeah. Me too, baby. Me too. Me too. Look at this. Literally, this was my level right here. To the T. To the tick.
Yeah.
The tickinators.
The tickinators.
Look at that massive lung. It's so big.
It's so strong.
I took a payout yesterday on one for 675. LOL. Not too often, to be honest. You got this.
But
PDPT. Let's go, Eric W. Were you still in that same trade, Eric? Also, I got
Eric, yo, put it in testes, buddy. I don't blow it too often.
I got to use the washroom, so I'm finished. John, are you finished?
I'm finished. I'm locked out.
Yeah, me too. So, premium, we will see you guys at, it's 10:26. I'm going to say 10. I want to do it running pretty quick.
10:45.
10:40. 10:40. I'll see you guys in premium for today's daily breakdown. I love y'all.
Guys, make sure to use code PHUB on all the props. Get the best discounts possible.
What a banger first day back, hey?
Banger first day back.
Banger first day back, baby.
If you're not, it's okay. Have an absolutely great day, and we will see everybody tomorrow. We love you. Ha ha ha. You've got to do what?